100% royalty license free. The loops from each construction kits can be easily laying in your software. All instruments individual stems of dry, BPM, included tempo, format WAV loops chords included, easy to arrange loops, construction kits. Each kit gives you the basics, such as kick snare drum, hit, bongo, shake, bass guitar brass keys melodies, all dry stems. Inspired demos MP3 is a reference to inspire you. Production. The first demo is 5 Bouyon construction kits. The second demo is the 5 Kampa construction kits. And the next is the Conch Shell Soca Riddims 10 construction kits. Listen to the demos now.
Royalty-free commercial use sample packs. Caribbean Samples is a musical lab. We love music and making music. A team of talented musicians come together to provide easy access sample packs online. Intro, chorus, verse, tempo chords included. Keep in mind that all demos are just an idea or possibility of what can be created in your recording studio. You're able to add and remove. All instruments and construction kits are dry, which is great for the sound engineer to add processing like delay, equalizer, reverb and compressors. Make your hits now. Make your hits now. processing like delay, equalizer, reverb, and compressors. Make your hits now.
Drum-loops.
Thanks for visiting. Remember to like and subscribe. This channel is all about music. We will be appreciated if you can share this video or let people know about us. Let us each do something good for a better world for the children tomorrow. Blessed, stay positive. One love.